let's make fresh crab nachos. So I've already grated some Monterey Jack, which is kind of classic for nachos, but I'm gonna add sharp cheddar, and I just think it adds layers of flavor that are really great. And you'll see how fast it is to grate it like this. A whole lot faster than a box grater, right? Okay, so next, the crab meat mixture. So I'm gonna make a creamy crab meat mixture, and starting with 6 ounces of room temperature cream cheese. And adding about a half a cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of sour cream. I'm just gonna mash it together. This is gonna become the crab meat mixture that's gonna go in the chips, along with the cheese. Okay, lots of flavorings. Scallions, green chilies, fresh lime zest. The lime zest just gives it a little edge, which I love. Okay, and then the last thing I want to put in is crab meat, 16 ounces of lump crab meat. Sometimes you get crab meat that's like shredded, and it's, I mean, it's perfectly delicious, but you don't have that kind of bite of crab meat. Okay, lots of salt and pepper. Make sure it has great flavor. And pepper. I have to say, these are my favorite nachos ever. Time to build the nachos. I'm gonna do it in 2 layers. You'll see how I do it. Got chips, and then half the crab meat mixture on top. Okay, lots of cheese, if I can get it off. So remember, this is Monterey Jack and sharp cheddar together. And then pickled jalapenos. Just spread them out so everybody gets some. Okay, another layer of chips. Okay, more crab meat. I have to say, people go crazy when I serve this. It's just so, I don't know, there's something so communal about it, and it's so delicious. Okay, and then more cheese. Everything's better with more cheese, right? Okay, into the oven, 375 degrees for 25 minutes, and in the meantime, I'm gonna make a salsa topping for it. Here goes. First, 5 large plum tomatoes, seeded, cored, and small diced. Then 1 cup of minced yellow onion, 3 tablespoons of minced fresh jalapeno pepper, seeds removed, 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lime juice to offset the spice, 1 tablespoon of good olive oil, a large ripe Hass avocado, pitted, peeled, and 1/3 inch diced, 3 tablespoons of minced parsley. If you use cilantro, I don't want to know about it. Then 1 teaspoon of salt. I'll stir it all together, and that's it. Oh, this is one big pan of gorgeousness. Wow. Okay, I'm just gonna put the salsa on top, just sprinkle it over. And I love that hot and cold thing going on at the same time. I mean, just think of all the flavors in this. It's just fabulous. Perfect. And then one more thing, squeeze of fresh lime juice. This is good. How pretty is this? And I would say fresh crab nachos is one of the most comforting appetizers I know.